Yo, it's your boy Juandoo from the Ville, back at it with another video. You know what I'm saying? Today we had something planned, but as you can tell, it's raining, so like, it didn't really go as planned, you feel me? So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just do a POV inside the rain. Not a POV, but like, just kind of video in the rain, right around, maybe sliding a little bit and stuff like that. So make sure y'all stay tuned, and then hopefully tomorrow, if it ain't raining, I got some more video with me and the boys, and y'all just stay tuned for that. Gang. Got to turn the windshield wiper. It is kind of heavy though. If y'all watching this video, don't attempt at home. I'm a professional, you feel me? Oh my God. That lady running, everybody running. Yeah, I bet they ready to go home now. Shit, it is throwing down out here in Myrtle. I ain't gonna lie, here in the rain, that's gonna be like a satisfying video by itself. So I'm gonna just be quiet and I'm gonna let y'all listen to the rain in the car at the same time. Maybe y'all can even hear it. Water kicking up, boy. Tripping. But I know y'all seen that lightning. Cause we in the rain, I don't want to, I'm saying, do too much and lose control, you feel me? And always forget, don't put in manual, put in manual. Got the windows down. Just come in it like this, turn all the way in. See how smooth I'm sliding? Hey, shit. Just turning in circles, bro. Yeah, y'all hear that thunder? We're on a tornado around this bitch, you feel me? So we gonna try to go in fast, just to speed up just a little bit, see what we can do. Oh my God, I'm just sliding everywhere. All right, let me stop playing.
A few moments later.
Alright, so if y'all haven't seen my TikTok, I just made a TikTok, right? And yeah, the car turned off. Like, I was spinning in circles so much. Like, I'm about to upload the TikTok right now. A little bit, you feel me? Oh! Boy! Hold on, let me do that again. That was kind of fun. Hold on. Going easy, right? Going easy, going easy. Just hit the gas one time. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, John, that junk turned off. All right, see, that's a sign. Sign for me to stop playing. And yeah, and take it right back to the house. See? I need to learn my lesson. Let me put my trashing back on. I'm done, y'all boys. Hey, stay tuned in to the YouTube channel. Appreciate it. Y'all seen that, right? The car turned so much that it had turned off. And yeah, it's time for me to take it back to the house, you feel me? Don't need to be out here playing around. All right, she's driving pretty good. Let me just get a little bit more wine. For the POV. Ooh, that sounded good. Hey, if y'all seen that TikTok, oh my God. I was scared. Not even gonna count. Oh, that's a big pothole. Oh! Alright, so the pothole almost took me out. But who else? If y'all think I'm tripping, bro, I think the rain kind of vibe though. Like, I low-key like the rain. Everybody be hating the rain, but I low-key like it. I can mess with it, you see me? So now everybody going 31. Let me get a little bit of wine before it get too windy. Let me go slow though. I ain't got time to be put my car in a trailer. Alright. Putting the windows up. So then y'all hear all that wind. Hey, if y'all see that lightning though, like look, I'm gonna turn off my screen. And we just gonna sit here and look at the lightning, bro. Can't even cut, low-key a vibe. Dang. Hold on, let me turn down my brightness. Hold up. There we go. Pitch black. Now we're just gonna sit here and listen. That's so tough. Not even gonna lie. It's a vibe. No cap. Pitch black in the car. No music. No sound. Just a closed mind, lightning. A little bit of rain. Yeah. This it right here. But yeah, while we having this peace of mind, you feel me? Go ahead and drop a like, comment, subscribe to the channel for more POVs, more lit videos. You know what I'm saying? We out here in Myrtle Beach with it. So if y'all got a car group in Myrtle Beach, just hit me up and me and my boys can pull up, you feel me? So make sure we all getting content in. Yeah, like we don't got time to sit around and wait for it to come. We gonna go out here and chase it. You dig? But I ain't gonna hold y'all up too much. I'm gonna let y'all look at the sky for a little bit longer. I don't want this to be a long video, so then nobody gonna watch it anyway. So just make sure y'all stay tuned in, subscribe, follow the Instagram, DajuanGause, for recent posts, and TikTok as well. And then y'all vibe out. That was a big lightning bolt, no cap. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's kind of like about, you feel me? If y'all like more stuff like this, just hit me up. Yeah, and I'm about myself. You feel me? Make sure y'all stay tuned in. If y'all want more videos like this, just let me know and I'll drop more videos every time it's storm. And then make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned in.
Then I go unload the block. It feel good unload the shot.